Okay, so I've got the front engine cover sealed up and in place. All the bolts are slightly tightened down. That wasn't so bad. Now I've taken the front radiators off and I'm going to give them a good cleaning. So here's the radiators. That was part of the dirt with them, so that's the oil one. And that's the water one. And they are just full of mud and dirt. Now this sensor back here, I haven't looked into it yet, but I believe it's basically tells the bike to shut off if this part of the sensor gets submerged underwater. Now that's just a guess, and I gotta look into it. But I just figure it's just hardly lower than the air intake itself. I'm pretty sure it's not some sort of temperature sensor. So, yeah, now I'm going to start cleaning away. Thank you.